Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I went to my Dollar Tree and picked up a few goodies. I picked up this expansion disc. It is by Jot, and you get 10 of these discs, and they are 1 by 1 inch, and you get 150 sheets on each disc. Well, up to 150 sheets. And then I picked it up in the pink color. I only picked up the one because I did pick up all the colors on my last haul. So take a look at that one to check out all the colors that Dollar Tree has. And then I picked up 2 of these chicken wires. My store hasn't had this in stock for quite a long while, so I was quite happy to find it again. And each one is 12 by 50 inches, and I picked up 2. These are going to go in my backyard, and I'm going to create like a support dome for my onions, so they have some sort of support until they mature. So I'm quite happy about those 2. I also picked up this piece of wood plank. Actually, it is a wood hanging decor. It is 12 inches by 3 inches, and it hangs like this with this string right here. But you can always cut that off and then fill in the holes if you like. I need this for a project, but I may need to resize it, but I only picked up the one. I also found these. Aren't they cute? I like them. It's 2 layered of wood. The bottom one has a black and white gingham fabric on there, and then the top one is chalkboard. Isn't that cute? And I just love the edging too. I'm glad that they did that. It's adorable. I also found it in this shape. Look at this. Just cute. I picked up 2 also. Look at that. Adorable. I love all the little scallopies going on. Just adorable. I will need to take some fray check and put it around the edging, because I noticed at the store that some of the fabrics are already fraying. So that would be one thing to make sure to do. But I love them. They're so cute. And then I picked up this also. This is actually a tabletop sign like this. And this one stands about 7-inch high, and it is about 4 inches wide at the base, and just a shy of 4 inches on the circle. But it says live a better day. But I want to redesign mine for a future project. And then this piece here and the little pole here, those are all metal, and the base is wood. So I picked up one of these. I also picked up this journal. It's a black cardstock with like gilded golding on the top, and gilded flowers. Gilded gold flowers. That sounds better. Okay. So this journal is 6 by 8 inches, and you get 25 sheets in there. See, nothing special. But I like it. I just love all the gold on the top there. Isn't that just cute? I love it. So it comes with different designs too. So when you go visit your Dollar Tree, take a look at them. They're so cute. And then the last item I picked up is this. I love the way they designed this cover on the book. I don't know, it's so detailed and it's beautiful. So, and then here's the spine on the book and the back. But well, this is just the coverlet, but still. And I like it that the book is hardcover, and look at the spine. It does not differ at all from the coverlet. Look at that. So not often do we see something like this, right? Usually they'll put a cute coverlet on there and then you just get the plain book on the inside. But I like this. This is neat. So this book is, it was a 1999 US. In Canada, it was $22.99. And what this is Twisted Myths, 20 Classic Stories with a Dark and Dangerous Heart by Maura McHugh, illustrated by Jane Laurie. So let me open it. Look at this. I love the way they did the pages. You got the cute borders. And here's the contents of the myths. Well, the origin of each myth, like the first one, Eros and Psyche, is from Greek. The golden apple of Idun, Norse. The coming of the Tuatha De Dane, Irish. Anyways, I'm not about to kill all these words, but anyways, you got like a bunch of Aztec, Egyptian, Hawaiian, African, Chinese, Japanese, like all different ones. You got Native American, Sumerian, Maori, Maui, Hindu, Indian. But yeah, like I guess somebody did a lot of research, but look at this. I bought 2 of these books because one I went to put in my library. The other one I went to do a DIY project with it, like, a junk journal or something like that. Because how beautiful, right? So you can like collage this page and, keep the border and put some other goodies in here, right? I like the way they designed this page. It makes reading more interesting, right? I love the olive green color on this page, and the whole page is shaded. And I don't know, they put so much details into the borders, into the way the paragraphs are separated, the numbers are cutely labeled. It's amazing. But look at this image though. I like it. They colored it with some watercolor, you can tell, but it's just right now it's just matte colors. But what if you took like some gold and highlighted his feathers? Wouldn't that look awesome? And then maybe add some bling blings over here, or maybe to her headband, or colored her lips and bring out that color. But amazing, right? So I kind of read this book. It didn't really say what age is for. So I would go back and, look through it before you give it to your little ones or teenagers, whatever. um, I'll let you decide on that. But it's, when they say dark myth, that's exactly what they mean, dark myth. So like this one, look at that. It's quite interesting, a whole collage of wolves and snakes, and it all comes into one. And then they colored it again with the watercolor, and a very interesting shade of watercolor. And well, this one isn't too bad. Let's see. See there. But I do love the way they did all the borders. It's just amazing. I like it. Not often you see books like that, right? And for only $20. I like this one too. I like the cup. I wouldn't mind resizing this and then maybe put it in a different color, and then add some bling blings to that. Imagine what that would look like. It would be awesome. Look at this. It's amazing. I have not looked through the whole thing yet, but they did some really good color combinations like this one. Oops, sorry. I'm trying to be careful here so I can show you not too bad one. Look at this one. This one's a Hawaiian myth. Yeah, I like that. It's a dragon like that. Neat, right? So, you know, if you see this at your store, at your Dollar Tree, you may want to pick it up and take a look. Especially if you like collecting books for Halloween, you know, something to put on the table to add to your library or to create a cute journal out of, right? I mean, it's pretty much the background is set up and all you got to do is add the collages. But yeah, I'm glad I picked up 2 of these. I'm quite happy with those. They are putting out some really cute stuff for back to school, so I have not seen the calendars at my store. I'm waiting. I want to see the cute new calendars. But they do have some cute journals, and if you see these little signs there, take a look. I mean, they're so adorable. But you can DIY your own too, I'm sure. Just get a background, and then you can take another one of these plaques and layer it like they did. Put fabric on the back side, and you know, there's a lot of things you can do with that one, right? They're adorable, cute. I hope that you pick up everything that you have on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. And thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.